Well, hey there guys, what's going on? Look at what I bring you guys today. I bring you the 1992 Honda Accord, our 14,000 mile gem. So basically, what am I doing with the car today? So I was really contemplating on whether or not I should go ahead and replace the timing belt and do a full service on it, but I went ahead and did it anyways. This way, if I do decide to sell this car, this way everything is done. So basically what we went ahead and did today, we went ahead and put a brand new water pump, new timing belt, new balance shaft belt, went ahead and replaced the cam seal, crank seal, balance shaft seal. And an important thing on these Hondas right here is to update this and put this retainer right here, because these are notorious for these seals just somehow come out of there, and and basically what happens is it dumps all the engine oil on the ground. So went ahead and did that, and that's all done. So the next thing that I need to do obviously is to go ahead and put it back together. So looking at this right here, we're going to go ahead and do a valve adjustment on it, since this car has obviously never had a valve adjustment done. Let's say everything looks really good. I mean, you can see that kind of got that tarnish on it, and that's from the oil. So I mean, if you look down the cylinder head, I mean, the thing absolutely looks gorgeous. And sorry for all the freaking dust on this thing. Once we get this thing done, I'm going to go ahead and send this out to detail. We're going to have the whole car detailed, and that includes the engine bay here. So, and another thing too is, if you guys are in here, that distributor here, go ahead and replace that O-ring. You know, obviously you can see this thing, obviously it's bone dry, there's nothing leaking, you know, which is very indicative of, you know, this car having the miles that it has on it. Because if this was a high mileage car, that thing would be all full of oil, and there is no oil at all to be found on this car anywhere. So basically, we've got, you know, a male O-ring. That's our distributor O-ring right there. B32563 is our part number for that thing. And I gotta be honest with you guys, when I pulled this timing belt out of here, the old one, the thing was absolutely in perfect shape. No cracks, no nothing. But the thing is, you know, you don't know how old the belt is. I mean, obviously we know the belt's 28 years old. I don't know if it's been changed or not. Like I said, I don't really know if that's the original belt, but I'm gonna assume that it probably is. So, and obviously, if you guys look down in here, I mean, there is no oil at all. Nothing to be seen at all. I mean, you can see this thing is super, super clean. Like I said, I didn't clean anything on this car. I mean, that thing is that freaking clean. I'll show you the front cover too. This was a high mileage car. This cover would be all eaten up right in here. Yeah. I've replaced quite a few of these timing belts, you know, quite a while ago. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I've seen over the course of the years that I've actually serviced these cars, I've seen these front covers absolutely all cut up, soaked full of oil. If you look at the cover here, I mean, it's in, you know, perfect shape. It's like it's brand new. It's got a little, you can see right there, it's got a little wear right there. I was crank pulley. I don't know what's going on there. So, but as you can see, there's nothing leaking inside here. So, yeah, it's really, really nice shape. So, we'll go ahead and button this in tomorrow. You know, and like I said, it won't take long to do that. So, if you guys have any questions regarding a timing belt on one of these. Okay, so basically, you know, setting up the belt and everything is pretty much the same from 1990 to 2002. So this is obviously an F-Series engine here. Well, I really appreciate you guys joining me here today. If you have any questions or any video requests, shoot them down in the comment box below. I'll see what I can do to fulfill your request. And as always, I really appreciate everybody joining me here. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. See ya.